So I think it's time that the manufacturing sector starts to shift its mindset around the role that marketing should play in business development. It's not just about creating materials to support sales and building a nice brand image. Like, we got to get to the point where manufacturers are thinking about marketing as an engine to produce pipeline for the sales team. And then we've got to measure if that's actually happening. What are the KPIs that are going to lead to these business outcomes that we are trying to achieve? And I think business outcomes is the term that's so key here. We can't just be focused on traffic or leads generated or rankings in search engines as the results on which we are going to measure the impact of marketing. These are things that will ultimately contribute to business being generated. And so we can't stop there. We got to connect the dots, and marketing needs to be held accountable for producing these business outcomes.